the collapse of France and how Africa is to blame. So France is suffering from debt and low economic growth. And yesterday, back in a meeting where the Prime Minister Khona was voted out of parliament through a vote of no confidence. So how is Africa to blame for the collapse of France? First, you must understand that France is weak. France was colonized by Britain within a month. So France is weak. After the end of colonization, France could not let go because it was too dependent on African countries. So we introduced into is cooperation of agreement, where 14 of the countries which were colonized by France were forced to sign the cooperation of agreement. However, Guinea did not sign this cooperation of agreement, and there were consequences. So if you did not sign this cooperation of agreement, if France informed ama-doctors wawo, ama-teachers wawo which bebasebenza eGuinea ukuthi abashise zonke incwadi eziza neFrance nawo wonke amatafula aweza neFrance. Then I-informa abo-doctor ukuthi abashise yonke imibhede eza neFrance nokuthi yonke incwadi edila nge-medical, anything nje edila nge-health eza neFrance abasishise. And mind you, everything was created by France because bebacolonizile abantu. Yatshela abo-teacher, yatshela amaphoyisa, yatshela abantu abasebenza ema-home affairs ukuthi abashise wonke ama-documents ayexistayo aweza neFrance. Watshela abantu abasebenza in government ukuthi they must do the same thing. So if you did not sign this cooperation of agreement, there were consequences, and Guinea suffered. So in this cooperation of agreement, lama countries why sign the cooperation of agreement were introduced to what was known as France-Afrique. So lama independent countries sign France-Afrique meant they allow France to send troops wayo to independent land independent states to take resources wabo and to have a combined currency. So if France created a currency ebizwa ngokuthi CFA franc for lama independent nations. So CFA franc meant ukuthi 50% of our nature reserves from lama countries had to stay in France. Meaning if Tina as an independent country sign a cooperation of agreement which is under France-Afrique, had to take, if masithi sola ama diamond i10 i5 lawo ma diamond kumele sothathe soyisa eFrance, and if you wanted access to lawo ma diamond kumele sihambe siyocela eFrance ukuthi France please cela usiboleke ama diamond wethu. Then France if iyabona ukuthi siworthy vele ukuthi siwathole ama diamonds, beyisiboleka mara beyisiboleka mesiwabuyisa ama diamonds wethu. We had to bring them back ne interest. So if France enjoyed the privilege of ukuthi lama countries after gaining independent, they had to buy ibhamu from France. So if France benefited kakhulu from lama countries mara in 2022 izinto zashintsha, yabo. So yaqala ngemali, then kweza iGuinea, then kweza iNiger, then recently was Burkina Faso. Lama countries which were formerly colonized by France fought back and got rid of imperialism, yabo. Meaning so abasasendi ama reserves wabo eFrance and abasekho military dependent on France, meaning abasabhadali ama soldiers wase-France ukuthi azi on their land to maintain peace, because prior France had been like Africa since 1970 fighting like ama ISIS, like fighting bonke lama terrorist organizations, yabo. But since France Africa since from 1970, like the new France, not the colonialist France, since Africa from 1970, lama insurgencies are escalating instead of de-escalating, and abasanikezi if they are no longer buying weapons from France, which now had been financially benefiting France. Now abasabhadali France for ama-soldiers wabo, abasasendi ama-reserves, and abasathengi ama-weapons from France. And this is leading to the collapse of France. And France is also dependent on ama nature reserves. Yes, ama nature reserves from lama nations lawa yabo, such as uranium ne-oil, manje abasatholi anything. These people are cutting complete communications between them and France, and that thing is negatively infecting France, and France is soon to collapse. Yangithola. And abathi ne Great Britain, England nayo is iyalandela, yangithola. So nje this shows ukuthi these countries lanka which claim to be ama-superpowers are dependent on African inferiority, are dependent on African labor, and are dependent on African resources. Khona bona bazoba right. Cut them off from wonke lama resources lawa, cut them off from labor, bazobhayiseka, and they will collapse, yangithola.